Hello everyone, today I wanted to do a review and demo of PCIe Riser Card 008S and show you some features and hopefully answer any questions you may have. Let's jump right in. Is an adapter card that allows you to connect your graphics cards to the motherboard through a PCIe port. The card has 6 USB 3.0 ports, allowing you to easily connect up to 6 graphics cards to your system. This card can be used to connect USB peripherals, sound cards, network cards, among other devices. The PCIe Riser card also features short circuit and overheat protection, ensuring a high level of security and stability at all times. The best thing about this product is that it is easy to install and allows you to save space on your Bitcoin or Ethereum mining equipment. If you are looking for a simple and efficient way to connect multiple graphics cards to your system, the PCIe Riser card is the perfect choice for you.